I've been on a big quest to find the greatest skincare of somebody who had really acne prone skin, a lot of scarring, all of the things that I've been trying to fix, and I've tried everything under the sun. And as as a mom, definitely things has changed, and I've been using this for, I want to say, about 4 or 5 months now, and I haven't been very consistent with it, I will say, but it is exactly what it says. It is such a miracle toner. I absolutely love it. A little bit goes a long way, and I still have quite a bit left. So I love that it gently exfoliates the skin, unplugs pores. It's just such a nighttime, actually I use it daily, but it's really great for additional self-care. You do see visible results, as you may have heard, but it just really refines the skin. Can be slightly drying in the beginning, but I haven't had that problem. You just want to moisturize, and it is great for oily, combination skin, acne prone, sensitive, all the skin types. I highly recommend this, and like I said, I've been using it for a while. So final verdict on this is, if you are looking to up your skincare routine, I do recommend grabbing this bottle and trying it out for yourself. You will not be disappointed.